Today I'm going to show you how to add a filleted polygon to Tinkercad, so let's get cracking. Today's project is going to go at record speed. As you can see, I have just searched HLMT23. You can also get here using the bit.ly on the screen. Now, everyday users share their awesome designs with me, and this is where I can click on them and give them reactions. There are so many fun designs every day. I will also highlight that sometimes there are useful designs. If they are set to copy in Tinker, you can check them out and learn from the users. Well, that's exactly what we're going to do today. If we visit the Codeblocks section, we've got an awesome filleted polygon by Mr. Scuba. Once again, set to copy in Tinker, so don't forget the golden rule of Tinkercad. Give a reaction before you copy in Tinker. Now, as you can see, it's going to have a polygon. It's got some details that explain what happens, and there's all sorts of code and variables. If we move down to this button, we can hit play, and you can see that it draws a nifty three-sided polygon. If we click on the controls, you can see that we can adjust the sides, the radius, the fillet, and once again, when you hit play, it gives you the new version just like that. Once again, all this fantastic code was created by Randy. You can tweak it and adjust it and republish it. That's part of the fun, is we get to work together. Once you're happy with your design, this is where it gets extra cool though. If you hit share as a Codeblocks shape, you need to wait for this to arrive and then give it a name. You can pick whatever you want. I'm going to call mine round poly. I'm not going to check anything else and just simply hit save shape. After a moment, you'll see the success note. Once you've done that, you can back up to the Tinkercad dashboard, and if we hit create new 3D design, notice we're not doing code blocks. This time we're doing a 3D design. If you move over here under your creations, you will have access to that round poly, and it's got the awesome controls. Switch your sides, switch your radius, and it immediately adjusts to the new shape. How cool is that? Wrapping up quickly, I want to say thanks again to Randy for creating the fantastic project. It's so cool that you can make things with code and share them with each other so we can all make Tinkercad just a little more awesome. Of course, I do have a full playlist of Codeblocks material. You can check it using the bit.ly up above. I would also really appreciate it if you watch this video, smash that like button, share it with others. Let's see if we can get the whole world learning just how cool Codeblocks can be. I do quickly want to say thank you to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. Make sure you also pay attention to the members only post. A massive shout out as well to everybody that supports me via Patreon. Love how the group is growing. We're way past 600 members. It has a fantastic free messaging area where you can ask questions, post designs, gain skills. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below or click subscribe. You're helping HLModTech get just a little bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.